Welcome back, traders. In today's market review, we rate comparing how price action played out between the 22nd and the 25th of the month across XAUUSD, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and NASDAQ. You'll see how the same sweep gives CISD gives retrace gives delivery model applied, but the bias completely flipped. Let's start with XAUUSD gold on the 22nd. Gold had a bearish 1D bias. Price swept by SI liquidity at this 4H level, confirmed with a bearish CISD, then retraced into the 4H bearish FVG and delivered lower into the 4H bullish OB. But by the 25th, the bias flipped bullish. Price swept sell side liquidity. A bullish CISD confirmed the shift, then retraced into the 4H bullish FVG and delivered higher toward the 1D mid-range objective. Now let's move to EURUSD. On the 22nd, EURUSD rejected the 1D bearish FVG. A buy-side sweep followed by a bearish CISD setup shorts, and delivery drove into the 1D M1 levels below. On the 25th, the script flipped. A sell-side sweep plus a bullish CISD led to a retrace into the 4H bullish FVG, with delivery expanding into the 1D premium range. Next, let's look at GBPUSD. On the 22nd, GBPUSD was bearish from premium pricing. A buy-side sweep and bearish CISD set up shorts from the stacked 4H bearish FVGs, delivering into the 1D bullish FVG. On the 25th, we saw a sell-side sweep followed by a bullish CISD. Price tapped the 4H bullish FVG, then delivered upward toward the 1D premium imbalance. Finally, let's analyze NASDAQ US 100. On the 22nd, NASDAQ was bearish from the 1D premium. Price swept by SI liquidity, a bearish CISD confirmed, and price retraced into the 4H bearish FVG before delivering into the 4H bullish OB. By the 25th, NASDAQ had flipped bullish. A sell-side sweep and bullish CISD set up longs from the 4H bullish FVG, and delivery expanded into the 1D range objectives above. So the key lesson here, the model never changes. It's always sweep gives CISD gives retrace gives delivery. What changes is the context. On the 22nd, assets were in premium, so the setups were bearish. On the 25th, assets were in discount, so the same model produced bullish trades. That's the power of trading with higher timeframe bias. See you in the next video.